Today I'm here at Tsukiji Market. This once was the world's largest fish market, but today it's just full of shops and food. So today I'm going to eat my way across Tsukiji Market. All right, there's a long line for a beef bowl, so that's where we're going to start. We're going to get the beef bowl. Thank you. Pork intestines over rice. I put a soft boiled egg in it. Give it a shot. It also has bits of beef in it. Man, that's good. It almost tastes like beef stew. This place is packed. There's plenty of food. You can't walk more than 10 feet without having a food stall. So we just had the beef bowl. I think I said pork intestines. It's actually beef intestines. So now I'm about to head, see what else they have. Eventually I want to get to the rice cracker. That was the main reason we came. First, let me get through the crowd. All right, we definitely found the seafood. We're definitely getting a pretty strong smell now. All right, next they have a uni and sirloin bowl. Place that has A5 wagyu with uni, which is sea urchin. I've never had sea urchin before, but I do love steak. So, about to try this. Oh yeah, that steak just melts in your mouth. It's delicious. The uni, I'm still trying to get used to that. I'm not sure what that tastes like, but the sauce they put in it, I mean, that sauce is good. A5 wagyu with uni. All right, so I do know what uni tastes like. Being from the South, we eat a lot of crawfish. If you ever had a crawfish, you know you're supposed to suck the head. So when you suck the head, that's kind of what it tastes like when you're eating the uni. But somehow it works. When you have that on top of the steak with the sauce, it kind of all works together. So I definitely think you should give this a shot. All right, so next is the egg on a stick. It's kind of done like an omelet, and then they just put it on a toothpick or a skewer. And I see them all the time on social media, so I want to try it out. So, of course, it's a long line for it. right, I got my Japanese omelet. Very hot. It was 200 yen, which is about a little over $1. Definitely a fluffy egg. It has some kind of sweet sauce in it. Can't put my finger on it. So the Japanese omelet was a little sweet for my liking. Now I'm headed to get the famous shrimp rice cracker. All right, so you order your rice cracker through this machine here. Let's see how this works. Put the money in there. Gonna get the shrimp. Then you grab your ticket. And get your change. All right, look at this thing. It's huge. It's like the size of my head. So I finally got the famous shrimp cracker here at Tsukiji Market. You can see it actually has a real shrimp that's actually cooked into the cracker. So let's start by trying the cracker itself. Yeah, it's pretty tasty. It's somewhere between a cracker and a potato chip. But now, you got to get in here where I'm about to make a mess. Whoops. Here we go. The shrimp. Definitely tastes like shrimp. And I'm making a mess. I need to clean this up.
Hey, what they have been waiting